We're thrilled to have you here with us today. This channel is all about exploring the connection between health and sexuality, and how embracing both can lead to a more fulfilling life. Whether you're here to learn something new, or just to enjoy the journey, we're glad you're with us. Now, I've been talking about sex for a very long time, and let me tell you, there's always something new to learn. Sexual health is a vast and ever-evolving field, and it's important to stay informed and open-minded. Today we're diving into a particularly intriguing topic: the 7 secret arousal zones. These are areas of the body that can really enhance intimacy and pleasure when given the right attention. These zones are often overlooked, but they can play a crucial role in building a deeper connection with your partner. Understanding these areas can help you become more attuned to your partner's needs and desires, making your intimate moments even more special. These are the areas that can really turn a woman on and take intimacy to the next level. From the nape of the neck to the inner thighs, each zone has its own unique sensitivity and potential for pleasure. Exploring these areas with care and attention can lead to a more satisfying and connected experience for both partners. But before we get started, remember, every woman is different. What works wonders for one person might not have the same effect on another. It's all about discovering what feels good for your partner and respecting her boundaries. This journey of exploration should be fun and consensual for both of you. What works for one might not work for another. It's essential to communicate openly and honestly with your partner about what feels good and what doesn't. This kind of communication can help build trust and intimacy, making your relationship stronger and more fulfilling. Communication and consent are absolutely key in any relationship, so make sure you're talking to your partner and finding out what she enjoys. By being attentive and responsive to her needs, you can create a more loving and satisfying connection. So, let's get started on this exciting journey of discovery together. Stay tuned to discover these exciting tips. Let's start at the very top, shall we? The head. It's often overlooked, but the head is a treasure trove of sensations waiting to be discovered. The head is a powerful erogenous zone. Gentle touches and caresses can create a deep connection and arousal. A woman's scalp is full of nerve endings. These nerve endings are highly responsive to touch, making even the slightest caress feel incredibly intimate. When you gently stroke her hair, massage her scalp, it releases endorphins, those feel-good hormones. This not only helps her relax but also creates a deeper emotional connection between you two. It's incredibly relaxing and can be very arousing. The sensation of fingers running through hair can send shivers down her spine, making her feel cherished and loved. Don't just jump into it, start slowly, maybe while you're watching a movie or just cuddling on the couch. The key is to be gentle and attentive. Let your fingers wander through her hair, gently scratch her scalp. Use the pads of your fingers to apply light pressure and vary your movements to keep things interesting. Pay attention to her reactions, see what she enjoys. Every person is different, so take your time to learn what makes her feel good. This simple act of touch can deepen your bond and create unforgettable moments. Now let's explore the secrets of the neck and ears. These areas are incredibly sensitive and can drive your partner wild. The neck and ears are often overlooked, but they hold a treasure trove of sensations. Light kisses, gentle nibbles, even just whispering in her ear can send shivers down her spine. Imagine the soft touch of your lips on her neck, the warmth of your breath against her ear. These small gestures can create a powerful connection. The key here is to be playful, be teasing. A light touch, a soft whisper can ignite a spark of passion. Don't rush, take your time to explore and enjoy each moment. Don't be afraid to experiment with different levels of pressure, see what she responds to. Some might enjoy a firmer touch, while others prefer a more delicate approach. You can start with soft kisses on the back of her neck, and then move up to her earlobes. Each kiss, each touch, should be a discovery of what brings her pleasure. Whisper sweet nothings, tell her how much you desire her. Let your words and actions blend together to create a symphony of affection and desire. The collarbone and shoulders are often overlooked, but they can be incredibly sensual areas. Soft caresses, light kisses, even just tracing patterns with your fingers can be very arousing. These areas are often exposed, so it can be a great way to initiate intimacy. Start by gently massaging her shoulders, working your way down to her collarbone. Pay attention to her breathing, her body language. Is she leaning into your touch? Is she closing her eyes and sighing? These are all good signs. The inner arms and wrists are subtle yet powerful erogenous zones. These areas are very responsive to light touches and kisses. You can gently stroke the inside of her arm with your fingers, or place a soft kiss on her wrist. These subtle gestures can create a wave of arousal. Try holding her hand and gently tracing circles on her palm with your thumb. It's a simple gesture, but it can be very effective. Releasing tension in the lower back and hips can ignite passion. This is an area where many women hold tension, so a good massage can be incredibly relaxing and arousing. Start by gently rubbing her lower back using circular motions to work out any knots. Then move down to her hips, using your thumbs to apply gentle pressure. As she relaxes, you can start to be a little more playful with your touch, making her melt with pleasure. The inner thighs are highly responsive to touch and can significantly heighten arousal when touched gently. Start by slowly stroking the inside of her thighs with your fingertips, gradually moving closer to her most intimate area. Pay attention to her reactions and adjust your touch accordingly. Communication is key here. Don't be afraid to ask her what feels good and what she enjoys. Now, you might be surprised to hear this, but many women find foot massages and gentle touches on their feet to be incredibly erotic. Start by giving her a relaxing foot massage, using lotion to moisturize her skin. Then you can start to focus on her toes, gently massaging them and even kissing them lightly. Again, communication is key. Some women might love this, while others might find it ticklish or uncomfortable. So, be sure to ask her what she enjoys. Unveil the unexpected pleasure of the feet and toes to create a unique and exciting experience. So there you have it, my darlings. 7 secret arousal zones to spice up your love life. Remember, exploring these areas is all about taking your time, being gentle, and paying attention to your partner's responses. Communication is key. Don't be afraid to ask her what she likes and what feels good, and most importantly, have fun. Thank you for watching Healthy is Sexy. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on enhancing your intimate moments. Share this video with your friends and help us reach 1 million views.